This is Friday the 27th of March. Sorry, February 2026. When the Irish stuck with there.
Look at the day out. This Flaming Princess. They're followed by Sioux Nation. This is an Uja, but we can't get her at the moment. Uja. Ouja.
O-J-O-O-Y-R or something.
Uja, yeah. It's a new mare. So this is Flaming here.
Spring is around.
Oh, thank God, yeah.
We've been waiting long enough.
Yeah.
You're a breeder, are you?
Yeah.
You're a breeder.
Of course, no problem.
Tell by your jackets. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Yeah. It should have been rain, yeah. This mare is my best friend here at the back. Her name is Flaming Princess. Flaming Princess here.
We don't work here, by the way.
Yeah, we don't work here, but she's a good friend of mine. I know her for years now. Flaming Princess. She was a racer.
Yes.
She had a fall by Sioux Nation. She had a fall by Sioux Nation, yeah.
That's lovely to see.
When you see her do that, turn her ears back, it's not a good sign. No.
Where you come from?
Yeah.
Well, we're from Ballymena.
There it is.
It's lovely out today.
Just over there anyway.
No, just for the weekend.
Yeah.
We should go say hello. Oh, come on, Flaming. What do you mean?
She's my friend Jennifer, she's from Portlaoise.
Right, it's down the road.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you, and you.
Nice day, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Thank God,
No, it's lovely to see.
Yeah, thank God. Enjoy, Dana. Come on, Flaming. If I showed you grass, would you come over? If I put my hand up at your grass, would you come over?
Maybe. Try it. We'll try.
Come on, grass. Come on, grass, girl. Hello. Here. Hello. Come on, grass. Come on, grass. Girl. Come on, grass. Hello. That's lovely and moist, isn't it? Huh? Lovely and moist. Ooh, wet, Shirley. Huh? Pretty wet. Looked like it was raining earlier on.
Go on, give her some, Diane. Give her some. Look.
Huh?
Give her some.
I can't reach her. Look,
What?
I can't even get over there. Look
Of course you can. Go around the puddle. Go around the puddle. To the other side of the puddle.
Here you go, girl. This grass. This grass. Girl. Here you go, girl. Flaming, she's going on the way back there. Flaming's going on the way back there. She's in the nursery. Who's that? Pause it there for a minute while I go over here and see what that bear is.
Okay.